Don Hartwick has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent him. And here's what he did with it. According to Don, he and his family are diehard Star Trek fans. The dystopia of the Zephram Cochrane years is long over. The Federation has long sought to create peace and an understanding of Utopia instead, so he set his sights on outer space. The twin mill is now a space patrol flyer, using JB Weld to fill in the front wheel wells in the engine bays. The vehicle now sports wings sourced from the Falcon in the box. The jet engines have become the warp engines. A 3D printed wheel became the landing gear. The rear stabilizers serve as landing supports as well. The Micro Machines Hummer in Camo gave up his turret for the vehicle. It has been detailed in sharpie and Molotow chrome. The car is painted with ColorSpot Scuba and stamped Passport, blue and dark blue. The second vehicle is a tribute to the Aussie truck trains. It looks like a space locomotive. The vehicle incorporates the diesel Kenworth that needed the flashing and the windows trimmed. The nose was removed to add the long section fuselage provided by a USB to HDMI converter. The hood from the French Laudelet Lesnie yesteryear model became the hood and grille to the behemoth. The headlights also from the Lesnie have been moved back and mounted behind the cab doors. Out back, the engine from the Hot Wheels Dragon Tail became the power source. A 1/187 scale broken Starship Enterprise secondary hull became the deflector for the space train freight hauler. The clear wings from the Dragon Tail became the communications port mounted on the roof. The VW pickup was repurposed as a secondary passenger zone and cargo area. We will imagine the force field covers those zones for safety reasons. The space garage depicted are actually two pieces of office desk things. One held documents, the other pens and pencils and notebooks. They were aged with paint and glued together. It's lit with a grain of rice lights on a battery controller. I think everybody knows I'm a sucker for a twin mill build, so I love this. I love the imagination, and I love that twin mill. The truck conversion too is just amazing. The part of this that means the most to me though is that Don hasn't done anything like this, he said, for over 5 years, maybe 10. So this getting him back into doing it means the world to me. And it's what it's all about. You can have so much fun doing these things. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.